I know it's been a long time, and here I am back with a wonderful video. But let me tell you something. If you are a biomedical engineering student and you are still wasting your time applying for jobs or internships on portals like Indeed, Monster, Naukri.com, or any other job portal, then you are just wasting your time. That's basically the front door method, and it's very crowded. You are just one student among 500 other students with just the same degree as yours, and it won't work. So let me tell you what the backdoor method is. And in this video, I'm going to tell you the exact steps or strategies you need to get hired by top medical companies even if your CGPA is not the right fit. It's called the backdoor method, and let's dive deep and understand what exactly it is. Here's the reality check. When you apply online, your resume isn't going to a human. It's going to an ATS, which is Application Tracking System, right? It's basically a robot. And what it does is, if your resume doesn't have the right keywords, it basically throws your resume into the trash even before a human ever sees it. So you are playing a game that is rigged against you. So all you need to do is stop trying to break the front door, and we need to go around the side. Let me tell you how. Now listen to me very carefully, because this is the secret sauce. The backdoor method is based on one simple rule, where you don't ask for a job, you offer value. Most students and working professionals DM people saying, "Hey, can you please find me an internship? Hey, can you please find me a job?" And this becomes a transaction where you are taking and they are giving, and it is so annoying. Instead of doing that, we are going to use the permissionless project. And that basically means you do the work before you get hired to prove that you can do the job. Now let me give you a real life example that you can do right now at the cost of 0 rupees. So let's say you want to work for a company that services patient monitors. Step 1 for you is to go to Google and search for service manuals for patient monitors. Find a public one and a good equipment. Let's say Philips IntelliView M50. Now these resources are public. You do not have to pay anything, or you do not have to buy anything to read these resources, right? It's completely free. You download them. Now step 2 for you is to go to the troubleshooting chapter, read it, and find out 5 common errors that technicians face every day. Now step 3 for you is to create a simple one-page PDF. You can title it the M50 cheat sheet, 5 common errors and how to fix them. Now what you have done is you have created a resource that actually engineers can use. So right now you are becoming resourceful. You are becoming useful for someone who is going to hire you. I hope you understand this example. So now you have a one-page PDF that you have made all by yourself. Now don't send this to HR. HR doesn't care about codes, errors, or fixes. You find a service manager or a senior clinical engineer on LinkedIn, and you send them the exact message. Hi, followed by the manager's name. I have been studying the M50 architecture, and I've realized a lot of people struggle with dash, where you fill one of the errors that you have found out. I have made a one-page PDF cheat sheet for my own learning. I would love to send it to you just to get some feedbacks. Would you be open for that? See the difference? Now you are not just asking for a job, but you're asking for a feedback. And once they see your work, they will realize that this kid is someone who is wanting to learn and understands tech. And that is exactly how you skip the line. Stop waiting to be picked. Pick yourself up. If you want a personalized text template as per your job preference or internship preference, I can send it across to you. All you need to do is go down in the comment section, comment your name, comment your city, and give me what job role or internship role you want to apply to. And I will send you the exact template that you can copy paste and start your job hunt or internship hunt. This is Sijin Thomas, also known as Biomed Bro, signing off. Until then, stay safe, stay grow, and let's learn and grow together.